In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean camera shutter blur transition inside DaVinci Resolve. First, select all your clips in the timeline, right-click and choose Change Clip Duration. Set the duration to 4 frames, then click Change. This ensures every clip is evenly spaced for a smooth transition. Next, go to the Edit menu at the top and select Delete Gaps. This will close any empty spaces between your clips so the transitions play seamlessly. Now open the Effects panel and search for Slide. Drag the slide transition between your first 2 clips. With the transition selected, open the Inspector panel. Expand the Preset dropdown and choose Top Down. Then, under Motion Blur, increase the value all the way to the maximum. This adds that nice camera shutter blur effect during the movement. Once that's done, duplicate the same slide transition for the rest of your clips. To do that, hold the Alt key on Windows or Option on Mac, click and drag the transition to the next edit point. Repeat this for each clip on the timeline. Finally, slightly extend the duration of each transition by 1 frame. This small adjustment helps smooth out the motion for a more natural and dynamic look. And that's it! You now have a professional camera shutter blur transition ready to go inside DaVinci Resolve.